Hey everybody, we just got done drawing
Charmander.
Charmander from Pokemon. This is mine, this is Noah's. I think that he did an awesome job. He even drew Ash in the Pokeball like catching him. I think it turned out way good. So we're gonna show you how we did it. So let's jump into it. Okay, so we're drawing Charmander from Pokemon. And I'm really excited about this one. So we've done Pikachu, we've done Eevee, and now Charmander.
Yeah.
Okay, so Charmander, fire Pokemon. He's like a lizard, like a fire lizard. His head's gonna be kind of right here. We're not gonna draw his head huge, okay? It's just gonna be like this big, because we gotta make room for his body and also his tail, okay? So you got your Sharpie ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, first thing that we're gonna do, up here in the top left part of your page, we're just gonna make a big arch. Looks like this, okay? Like that. Nothing too crazy.
That's pretty good.
That is pretty good. And then on this part of the arch, we're gonna go down a little bit, okay? About right there. Nice. And right here, this is kind of his forehead, okay? We're just gonna make a little bump that looks like this. And then now we're gonna draw his cheek. Like that. Out. We'll just go out first. And then we'll draw his cheek that comes in like this. And then right here in the back, we're gonna draw the other side of his cheek that comes in like this. Nice. Now we're gonna draw his mouth. So right here in his cheek, see this little point right here and this little point right here? Those are his cheeks. I like to put a little dot right there just to kind of give us an indicator of where we're starting. And then this is where we're going, okay? So it looks like this. And then go down and then up a little bit. Just like a little smile. I want to see it. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, now we'll do two little teeth. Since this is his like basic form, he's not evolved yet. I think his teeth are kind of sharp, but not too sharp. So right here we do like a little bump like this. And then right here we do another little bump.
He looks like he's a vampire.
A little bit, yeah. All right, now we're gonna draw the bottom of his mouth. So I like to do, put a little dot by that tooth that we're starting at. And then we go down, and then up.
He's smiling like our Pikachu video.
Mm-hmm.
But different with teeth.
Yep.
Pikachu doesn't have teeth, right?
Not that I know of. Okay, good smile, I love that. Now two little teeny teeth right here. Boop. Boop.
Aww, that's so cute.
I know, Charmanders are cute Pokemon. Okay, now we're gonna draw his tongue. On the inside, it's just a little bump like this. From one tooth to the other tooth. A little arch connecting the two little teeny teeth on the
Like
bottom.
a brace.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, now we're gonna draw two little nostrils.
You know?
Yep, for his nose. All right, so remember this bump that we made right here?
Yeah.
That's his eye,
Mm.
okay? So we come in like this, just slightly from the bottom of that bump.
It looks like he has his
Mhm.
eyes closed.
And at the top of the bump,
Hmm?
we're gonna go up and then down to connect to the end of the line that we made before.
That's pretty good.
That's way good. Okay, and now here on the other side, okay, we're gonna do the same thing, but it's not gonna touch the back of his head. It's gonna be kind of in the middle. So we could put a little dot right here to show us where we're starting. and then a dot right here to show us where we're ending. Okay, so just a line like this.
Now it looks like he's weakened.
But we're gonna make a big arch to go as high as this eye right here. See this eye? We're gonna go as high as that one. So a bump, dot right there, and then we go up, make an arch, and then down.
Aw, that's pretty good.
That's cute, yeah. And his eyebrows are kind of like in the middle. They look like this. Eyebrow, eyebrow.
Yep.
And on the bottom of his mouth, you can draw a little dip for his lip.
Oh.
Nice. Now we're gonna put the little shinies in his eye. Little reflections. And then now we're gonna draw the other colored part of his eye.
You color it in.
Yep, we could color that in. And I'm gonna add a little bit of color after. And since we're using paint markers, we could color over this Sharpie. If you don't have paint markers and you wanna make his eyes blue, then don't color it in quite yet.
I made his eyes a little more shiny look.
Yeah, it looks way good, Noah. Okay, so there's his face. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw his arm right here. So you see how his neck kind of ends right there? We're gonna put a dot on the inside of his neck and then go straight out this way. Yep, and then we'll start a little bit underneath here and a little dot right there. Draw the other part of his arm.
Where? You put a dot?
Yeah, just put a little dot underneath.
Right here.
Nice, and then we'll draw 3 little claws that go out like this. Claw, claw, claw.
Claw. Claw. Claw.
Yep, and it connects into that arm. And then his little thumb, like this. Nice, yours looks way good. Okay, now right here, we're gonna draw his stomach, his little belly. So I put a little dot right here. Then we go out. Nice. Okay. And then we're gonna draw his other arm. Right where this line here ends. Just like we did here, we're gonna go out the other direction now. Goes out like this. And then this one goes in like this.
Wow.
And then claw, 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 and his thumb.
Claw. 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 Thumb.
And I drew a little line here because his hand looked a little weird to me, and I'm gonna color over it with my paint markers to kind of fix that. Okay, so we got his belly, we got both his arms. Now we're gonna do his leg right here, okay? So you start right here, put a little dot, then we go in, like that. You probably start, yeah, there you go. And then right here underneath his arm, right here, see I'm gonna put a little dot kind of by where his elbow is. And we're gonna go down, in. Nice. Okay, and now we'll do his little foot, come out like this, and then straight out. And then 3 little claws. Claw, claw, claw.
Cool. Cool. Cool.
Yep. And what they do is they make little bumps right here, like that, to separate his claws from his foot. Okay. Now right here, we're gonna do a bump, like that. And here we're gonna do and a little foot. We go in like this. And then right here we go claw, claw, claw.
It looks like he's marching.
Love that, huh?
Claw. Claw. Claw.
Yep. And then we'll do little bumps to separate his nails from his foot.
I'm one step ahead of you.
Yeah, you are. Cool. And then we'll do a little arch to separate his belly
The
from the rest
Charmander
of his.
going marching down, marching down.
So we're gonna do a little arch to separate his belly from the rest of his body, because his belly is a different color. So we'll go up like this, and then down into his leg. Nice. Okay, now last part, we're gonna draw his tail. So we'll start right here. I put a little dot right here and a little dot right here to show us where we're going to draw the tail. And then we come out like this. Then out like this. I guess we can make the little cap right here, tip of his tail. And his tail is on fire, so we're gonna draw a little flame. So we just draw a little squiggle, squiggle, and then you come to a point, dip, squiggle, come to the point, dip, point. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine because fire is naturally just all over the place. Nice. Okay. So there's Charmander. You want to know something cool about the fire, the flame on his tail? If he's really weak, like if he's been in a battle or something.
Or if he's big in the ring, his tail burns out, he'll like die.
No, like even in the rain or like when it's cold or whatever,
Yeah.
if he's healthy, his flame will still burn bright. But if he's weak,
Yeah.
if he's like really tired, it'll be kind of dim.
Yeah.
All right, should we color him in?
Yeah.
He just looks so good. All right, there's our Charmander. I love yours. I was telling you earlier, I love how your Pokeball is just like open and he is coming out with like all the little electric
Yeah.
wave stuff.
It's like he's like catching Charmander.
Oh, he's catching him. I love it. And that's Ash, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, there's our Charmander. We hope that you guys had fun. Give a thumbs up. And we will see you next time.